Want to play ESPN Fantasy Football? Then you're on the right video. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari. Once you're inside the Safari, in the address bar search for ESPN Fantasy Football. Head over to the very first site. In this page, first thing first, you need to make sure that you are logged in into your ESPN account. Click on this icon and check whether you are logged in or not. Once logged in, go back to your home page. Now you need to head over to sign up now. Now simply head over to the league that you have created before. Well, once you're inside your league, you have to click on My Team at the top left corner of the screen to see your roster. Your goal is to score more fantasy points than your opponent each week. Before every match-up, check your roster and make sure your best players are in the active lineup. To change a player, tap Move next to the name, then choose the position or roster slot you want. ESPN automatically saved changes. Next, you have to check match-up to see your opponent and compare your projected points. You can also use the Players section to find available players. If you want to add someone, select the player and follow the Add option. You can also drop players from My Team when your league settings allow it. During the season, check matchup standings and players. You have to check them regularly and adjust your lineup before game begin. Remember, the lineup changes can lock once game start, depending on your league settings. And that's the basics. Set your lineup, manage your roster, and outscore your opponent every week. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.